So guys, now after you're done, we're going to be cleaning um the edges. So come down here, close this layer. We're going to be cleaning the edges. So select your eraser, understand? Select your eraser. So click here, your soft eraser, because we're going to be cleaning the edges. So now after I'm done with everything, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up here, understand? Create a layer above. So after I create a layer above, now I'm going to reduce this layer. The one will finish erasing the edges. I'm going to reduce it um to 44. Then this layer I'm creating. Now if you notice, I created a double layer. I created two layers. So come here, select your soft airbrush. Now soft airbrush or hard airbrush, anyone that is okay for you. Now we are going to add the light effect to the hair, like this side. So reduce and increase anywhere you want. Now this is what we are going to be doing all over the hair. Can you see that? So this is what we are going to be doing. Do you see that? So that's what we are going to be doing, because this was going to make it to look more realistic. Understand the hair, all these effects, the light effect that appearing there. So this what you are going to do is to stroke it like this. Just draw it like this. Understand? So there's nothing more. Just add one, just one, two, one, two. So I'm a little bit fast. I'm fast, understand, to save time. So this what I'm going to be doing is very simple. Just one is okay, or two. Now let me show you what I mean. I mean something like one, two, like this. One, two. Understand? So that's how I'm going to do it. One, two, or one. So now let's continue. So after you create a layer, understand, we're going to sketch the front. Understand? So I'm going to show you how you would do that. But first, let me reduce this one, then to 61, then the other one, plus a layer. Understand? Now after you plus a layer, the edges like this front, we're going to paint it. So I'm going to use permanent pencil, but you can use technical pencil if you wish to. Understand? You can use anyone you want to use. You just play along with your tools and all that. So that's it. It's very simple to do. So let me choose my permanent pencil. Now I'm going to stroke it like this. Understand? Reduce it, stroke it like this, because I like using permanent pencil. If you notice, if you try it, it's kind of shining and it's okay for me, so that's why I'm using it. So now after I'm done, I'm going to erase it. So use a soft eraser, then erase the edges and start to look more realistic. Now what I want to do, I want to make it to shine. Understand? I want to make the edges to shine. But it doesn't mean whether you create another layer or use the same layer. So use your soft airbrush. Now do it like this. Can you see it? So it will shine and look more realistic. Now in this aspect, yours must not be the same as mine. Understand? Because if you follow the same method I follow, everything like the way I'm doing it now, you may not get it very correct. Understand? And you may end up getting confused. So don't do, but let yours be the same result. Understand? You may use another ways to do yours. You may use technical pen, you may use any other brush to do yours, but let it be the same result and let yours be okay. You understand? So guys, let me say this. You must not do the same thing I did. Understand? You may do yours, let yours be okay, Understand? Because if you follow this method that I'm doing, if you follow everything like step by step of what I'm doing, you may end up being confused, hating this app and all that. So try to do, yeah, I'm using technical pen, I'm using primary pencil, I'm using this. Try to, as well as you understand what I'm doing, it's almost you watch the video till you see what I'm doing. Just try to fast forward to the place you cannot do and all that. So that's it. It's just fun. Just try to make it fun. Use any use any pencil you wish to, use anything you wish to. Now this thing I'm doing now is just to make it realistic. Understand? Just to make it realistic. You know, the detail of the hair, you have to make it so it will not be like cartoon and all that. Now another thing I'm saying, you know, some people are using AI. Understand? AI, and AI make the pictures to be kind of what would I say? Actually, the app is only people that cannot design, that don't know how to design or how to draw, we understand the differences. Understand? Meanwhile, I want to ask you guys keep it up. Understand? Because more work are still coming for me. Although AI is around, people are using AI, but AI is just for cartoon. Like it make you more younger, like small baby, and which is not okay for me. Understand? Although the person will, if you notice, sometimes the person not even look like the person. Understand? But anyways, you will still continue doing your work. Understand? Still continue designing on Autodesk schedule, because more work are coming from me. Like even though people are using AI, because AI is not giving what they want, it's making it to be like, let me say, cartoonish, so which is not that kind of realistic. It's not realistic at all. So that's it. So now you notice I'm doing the side is making it more realistic, you understand? So it's very okay for you to do that, so that everything will come out very well. It will be more realistic, understand? So you have to detail everything, detail it. If you're a new beginner, it's not much you do all this stuff so that you won't be tired. Just do it the way that is very easier for you to do. So after that, so now so now after everything, we're going to be removing the background, so I want you to pay attention. So now I'm going to, you know, I paint it soft light, so I'm going to change it to normal, and so I'm going to make it to be normal, and so I can be able to remove the background. So I want you to pay attention on how I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to fill this side. Then after I fill it, I'm going to the earring. I want to sketch it out. The earring, like the earring. Now this is what I will do here. Just sketch it out like this. Do you see that? So the necklace also, I'm going to do that the same thing to it. Now after that, what you have to do is to close the layer of the original picture and the one that passed through Snapseed. Then duplicate that one that passed through Snapseed, in case if you make a mistake, you don't have to go import it again. So duplicate, then open the close the layer, then click on the compass, click on selection, understand? Click on selection above, then come to this the original one, understand? Come to this original one here, this one here, the pass through Snapseed, open it. Now before that, notice your tolerance, make it, increase it, your tolerance, increase it to 120 or so, or so that to be able to lap what you want to remove. is be able to lap it. Understand? Now if you do now see all layer, sample all layer. Do you notice what I click? Sample all layer. Can you see that? Sample all layer. So now that's how you can set it. If not, it will not work for you. So now after that, click on the fill, make it to be transparent. Click on that transparent color. Then you can click on the outside. Can you see that? Click on the outside. So now after that, you're going to remove all these ones that are hidden here. So I'm going to remove it. So use your selection again, then do it. Can you see that? Now open the one that passed through Snapseed. Can you see that? Now click on that place, make it transparent color, then click. Can you see that? So that's what you're going to be applying in all those ones that you can see there. Just like this one here. That's how you're going to remove everything. The same method. Click, fill. Can you see that? If you don't understand it, just kind of repeat it again. Repeat this video again so you'll be able to understand it. So after that, this is what we're going to do. We're going to delete that one we use as earring. So delete it, it's not necessary. Now so I will have more space and more layers. Now the layer of the purple that we turn to normal, turn into soft light. Then the clothes is she's wearing, we have to change it because it's not going to be like this. Change it to soft light. Understand? Change it to soft light. Now, so that's how everything is moving smoothly. It's going to be realistic. Then the other one, change it again to soft light. So it's very simple to do. It's not hard. Understand? Now this one, duplicate it, then merge it. Duplicate, merge it. Then the same thing to the other one. Duplicate, merge it. Guys, so guys, don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like this video, drop a comment anywhere you're getting it confused.